I guess I started with my uncle many years ago when we were in junior high school. Then time went on, and I went from band to band and started playing in clubs and lounges. And from that point on, throughout college I played and made some money on the side playing piano. I went from the accordion to organ, the portable organ, to a Hammond B3, to an electric piano, to a baby grand piano. So now I like to play jazz. I love it. I used to get the charts, try to figure out the music. Kind of self-taught. Well, exactly, I was self-taught. Right now I'm in North Carolina, near Wilmington, so I'll be performing around this area, Myrtle Beach and Wilmington. Yep. Website would be tese.com/piano. There you can hear some samples of my music and where I'll be performing.